Hi guys, continuing our SPOJ series. Given rainbow ride, multiple test cases. 1 to n. Really. Two integers nc, number of people, packs capacity in kilo, rides in kilograms. Nice. Next one n space area. Family. Weight of I. Sequence of integers. N lines. Ki, the number of people in the family that this person likes, followed by the person that likes. Person I likes. Okay, so 5 people. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Separates each test case. Each test case. Wow. End of the input declare. Okay. So what about this? That you have weights. You have a graph. This person likes. This person likes. This person likes. Let's like outgoing edge or what? And separate the maximum number of person that take out the red under the given conditions. Separate line the maximum number of people that can take the ride under the given conditions. So you have to separate line maximum number of person that can take the ride under the given conditions. Yes or no? So every person who takes the ride should be like friend of each other or what? Like let's see, man. There's 5 people. This person don't like anybody. Okay, nice. So yeah, man. So you are given a family. They want to enjoy ride. A person like some likes, and then each person says she go ride. Only if all the person likes, and all the people that who like the person also go and like that. All the people who this person likes, and all the people who like the person also go on the ride. Okay. So does it make move towards undirected graph? If someone says not like anyone, no one likes him, he may come for ride. What? And no one likes. Okay, okay. You have been dropped into this dilemma. Get the weight of each person, list of person, maximum weight of the rainbow. This is the main part. Maximum weight of rainbow should not exceed the limit of capacity. This is the capacity of the rainbow. Okay. सो अगर ये आएगा तो ये सब आएंगे. ओके मतलब बेसिकली इसका पूरा कंपोनेंट आएगा इसका पूरा. Okay, and yeah, that's about it, man. Like if divided into components, some person will be just solo component. So yeah, you can now after having the component weights, you have a maximum weight. So the greedy approach says no, greedy approach. Should you go with greedy approach? Now these are the basically you can consider this as a person, this is a person, this is a person, this is a person. Or like yeah, like I'm saying component. Okay, this person as a component. All the person that he likes is in his component. All the person that they like are in his component. All the person they like are in his component. So like this is like a big component. Okay, okay. There will be some big components. Yeah, do an undirected graph, find the components. That's about it. And after doing that, you will get some components, their weights, the number of people in each component. Now that becomes knapsack kind of thing. That you have a maximum capacity of a knapsack. These are the this profit, or these are the weights. This is the profit. You want to maximize the profit, which is the number of people. The wage, comma profit. Do zero in knapsack because you cannot. You can. No, no, you cannot. You cannot divide the component. Do a zero in knapsack. Return the answer. Okay. Should we do this? The only reason to do this would be to because this is a combination of a DFS component problem plus a knapsack problem, which is a twist. DFS component we general we have seen like yeah persons collect persons grouping into components, that's fine. But that group to be considered as a object having a some profit, some weight, then doing some kind of knapsack on it. Really interesting, man. But mm, yeah, component part is really not too much. Then the other only other thing is that I'm quite like yeah messing with this knapsack. Just recently, I created a video on that chord forces problem, which was a chord in the last contest. E problem was yeah that the only thing which I didn't came up with myself was I was trying to this vector. This vector was given, right? You have to divide this vector into like again the same thing. You have to take that was a knapsack, right? You have a capacity. No, but you are going to maximize the profit, right? Yeah. So you was maximizing profit by taking some of the elements. So given this vector, take some subsequence of this vector. Say take pick some of the elements which kind of yeah gives the maximum profit and such. And profit by profit I mean there it was key that sum should be closer to the total sum divided by 2. Okay. Uh, if you know what problem I'm talking about, do comment down below for other purposes because that contest happened on yeah I can give information exact information that was like 5th August code forces contest div 2 even problem, right? Okay, the name of problem is permutry if I'm not wrong or something like that. Yeah, yeah, then so what I'm trying to say is that like how are you going to do zero and knapsack in this? Yeah, you have an option, man. Like take, not take, take, not take. How many components would be there? There would be many components, like n components. Then you're not going to do 2 raised power n. That is one thing. That was I would do. I was doing there to check to generate 0 1 0 1 0 1 and like yeah all bit sets and wherever the bit is one you take that, right? Or here you can do that. You take that. If the sum is lesser than capacity, then yeah you are fine with it. And yeah you're fine with it and you do update maximum and but yeah a subset is not gonna work like yeah 2 raised power n is not so you have the capacity as well. So yeah the only reason for this problem to be to practice knapsack. Should we do this? Let's do this. But let's move to the next one and have it uh, stored if but the logic is really fine, man. Like just to check you want you can check in the first two comments disjoint set plus knapsack equal to AC. So yeah, that is fine. And nice combination of knapsack and graph search as I told. Multiple thoughts. Yeah. So this is the reason like I think these people also gave a try. Clarification seemed to be ambiguous. If someone does not like anyone, he may come to the right alone. Okay, chalo. Move to the next one. We will do this, yeah, but just for the sake of practicing knapsack, because you will surely have an array. I can like in let's say 7 lines of code, you will have your two arrays fixed. One is weight array and other is profit array. Profit array will contain the number of people. Weight array will contain the like yeah, the indexing would be same for that corresponding weight of the summation of the weights of the people that you are taking. Okay, that is just yeah, man. Not DSC distant set can be done. DFS can be done. You know how to segregate into components. That is nothing. These two approaches are most generally used. Like DSU, I prefer obviously, and component generation like using DFS is also not much. Whew. Another thing is internet is not coming. Treeramids, Treeramids, or pyramids. This is Treeramids. Fine. So given T number of disc number n, number of nodes, and minus one, A, B, edges. Root of tree always be known number zero, other edges can go in any order. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? Focus on this. Okay, issue the volume of solid structure built according to the rules. Okay, volume of the structure. Fine, 25 is a volume. It is n cube or what? 5 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see nodes 3, 2, 2. Yeah. Uh, Building towers. He has a big amount of block size k for any k. 1 cross 1 cross k. What does it mean? That means, yeah, height, weight, and length, breadth, and height of out of them. He's building towers, building the longest block is basement. Longest means like for maximum k because block is already like this. But by same rules can be put on this block. What is the rule? He's building towers according to the rules. Largest block in basement. Okay. Distance between the base and tower should be 1. Bases of towers and edges of the common basement should be 1. This is the base of tower. Got it. This is the base of tower. This is the base of tower. Edges of the common basement. Edge of common basement. What do you mean by edges of common basement? There should be a block of length 1 on top of each tower. Daniel includes every tower with a root tree. Huh? Root of the tree correspond to the basement. Yeah, fine. 0. Correspond to tower standing on it. Okay. So basically, what? The base of the tower. Yeah, kind of. The leaf correspond to the blocks of size 1 cross 1 cross 1. Given the root, one of these structure. Acha. So leaf is just 1 cross 1 cross 1 for sure. Then there would be something. Here the total volume of the structure really. I don't think it should be only 3 level. It should be more levels. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Okay. 1 to 3 level 1. 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 6 to 3 level 2 man. Uh, Only 3 levels are there क्या? ठीक है then this is if this is 111 unit, that is 111. Okay, how many leaves you can count? Then this you can count. This you need to count. Like if it has 2 leaves, it should be 3. What? Between those towers should be 1. Put on this block. अच्छा ठीक है. इनके बीच का distance is 1, so this should be 3. And edges of the common basement, now I get it. 1 1, which means this is 5. 5 into 1. Okay, 3 plus 5 into 1 for this maximum one, plus 3 into 1 for this one, plus again 1 for this one. So yeah, that is counted. No, that's not counted. So make it 4. Okay, then you have 1 on this side. This is 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 2, that much. Okay, so you start with the leaf nodes. How many? You start with this leaf node 1. Basically, these two leaf nodes 2. This leaf not 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Yeah, 2 will call on what? If there are two nodes, then there will be plus 1 for middle one, plus n minus 1, 3, and plus 2 for sure. For sure means for sure. Okay, okay, for sure. So we do 5. The 2 called on 5. Now this 1 called on 3. This one did not call on anything. Yeah, man. Hmm. Now got your base sorted. 1, 5, 3. Not base, but these are just bases. And then you do to calculate that you say ki 5 plus 3 plus 1. That is for sure. Then plus n minus 1, which is 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 1 was 9, plus 2 for sure. So yeah, that's how like you do 14 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus this plus 3, no 4, sorry. 5 plus 3 plus 1 you did now. Again, one thing is that volume. Okay. What do you mean by volume exactly? How much this volume has? चलो फिर इसका देखते हैं एक बार first test case, or let's see the first second test case first. So you have 0 0 to 1 1 to 2. So this would be 3 units. Then इसके ऊपर standing है 1 unit. No, सबसे नीचे there is 5 units. Then there is 3 units, and then there is 1 unit. 1 to 2 there is an edge. 1 to 0 there is an edge. Eh, but 0 is the parent, man. हाँ तभी तो कह रहा हूँ मैं. 5 plus 3 plus 1. Yeah, that's 9. That's 9. 5 plus 3 plus 1 it is. So 0 has like basement of 5, then a base for a tower of 3, then tower of height. Tower is 1 always. Tower is 1. Leaf node is always 1. Now let's move towards that. I think we are got it. We got it. Yeah, so let's see now. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 has nothing. Nothing. Yeah. 2 has 4. 5. 6. 3 has 6. So this is the same example which is given above, and we were calculating for that actually. So yeah, we can see that man. Look, listen. What? First go with 4 5. Okay, that is 2 plus 1 for middle thing. Got 3 plus 2 which is fixed. Got 5. Really? Yes, 5. So 5 for 2. 5 for 2. Then 3 for 3. Then 1 for 1. Now you got 5 plus 3 plus 1, which is 9. Right? Write the 9. Then you got 2 fixed. No, like 2 for between. Here, 2 for between thing. And then plus 2 for fixed 4. So that is what it is. 19 is 13 is the next. Yeah, 13 was the next. I thought, what you thought? 1 2 1 2. Yeah, 13 is the next. Okay, fine. So 13 is the next. Uh, this is the 13. This is in between the 13. 9 is occupied. 4 is the empty space, right? So 13, I will say 9 is occupied. After that, 5, yeah, that is what is occupied. And then only 4 are, no, not 4, only 3 are occupied. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. 5 plus 3 plus 1, 9, 13 down, and 3. So 3 plus 9, which is 12, plus 13, which is 25. That's why the answer is coming 25. So again, the problem of this is that sometimes you don't get answer in SPOJ, or sometimes even one comment can spoil the answer. So that's what has been done. So okay, so again, but the thing, we could have reached this obviously from our self point of view, so that you start from the nodes, leaf nodes. Okay, yeah, that is what it is. DFS it is. You call on 0, you call on the neighbors of 0. Neighbors of 0 gave you something like 9. Why they give you 9, we will see that. You call on 1, you call on 2, you call on 3. So then when call goes on 1, 1 is, yeah, 1 goes like down and he has no neighbor. So 1 gives you 1, okay, which will be used as 1. Okay, 2 gives you 2 nodes, which is 2 has 2 nodes. So 2 has 4 or 5, so 4 gives you 1, 5 gives you 1, 2 gets 2. Okay, listen this, 2 gets 2, 2 knows for 2, how I have to proceed with this. I have to do plus 2 for sure, plus 1 for this 2 nodes. Okay, so I do like 5, I get 5, I return 5 upper. 3 returns something like 3 gets 1, and he knows what to do with 1. You have to do plus n minus 1, which is 0, plus 2, which is 2. So 1 plus 2 3, you return 3 upper. Okay, so you, what you added, 1 added 1 to itself, and 2 added 5 to itself, 4 and 5 added 1 1 to itself, right? And this one added 1 to itself, and then added 3 to itself, 3 added 3 to itself. So this is all being added up, all being add up. Let's say 4 column is down nodes, nothing is down. So yeah, you return 1. That's what it is. Again, from 4 you can also do the same thing, that you have 0 nodes. Okay, you have 0 nodes. Number of nodes you calculated for it came out to be 0. Then you added plus 2 and minus 1. The minus 1, yeah, generally algorithm will work. Okay, this is the beauty of the problem. I think if you can understand what I'm saying. uh Chalo, let's go. This really, but yeah, kind of, this is an interesting, obviously, I won't deny that. And n, and apart from being interesting, A, B, C, and A, B. Yes or no? Yes. A minus minus G of A dot push back. Make PB man. G of B dot PB A of A. All on BFS of 0. C out R. Are you returning something? Yes. Are you adding up something? Yes. R is 0. DFS inch SV auto I in G of SV. If I is not equal to what? Parent. Parent, you can create what needs to be done over here. And R equal to 0. You count the neighbors. Whenever you go down over here, you do R plus plus kind of children basically. Then go for DFS of children, right? And do int C is equal to, it will just return me the number of nodes that you have. No, the answer for that, BFS of SV comma P after pre-processing. What is pre-processing? Pre-processing is R plus equal to n minus 1. Not really. Listen, man. Just stop. This is count, not R. Cn. This is RS. Make it RS. Cn plus plus. do int r, how r is being calculated. R is also there, man. Like R is also there. You will take whatever he returned. Let's say he returned me 2. Does he return me 2? No, one children returned me 1. Other children returned me 1. So I keep on doing that. R plus equal to C. Then what I do, R plus equal to Cn minus 1. How many children were actually there? Minus 1. Plus 2 for this. Plus 1. Okay, why plus 2 and minus 1? Yeah, looks like cool stuff. Yeah, return R equal to C. Yes, yes, it's fine. R S कहाँ पे करेंगे फिर? R S भी कर लो. Ooh, should be fun. P minus 1. I got my stream. Let's see. Bits slash tdc plus plus dot h. G was never declared. Even PB was not declared. Arey yaar, how many nodes do you have? Like 1001 or what? What PB? Test cases are not there. What's the issue? R is not declared. RS is declared. Take that. Take that. So two. Nah, yeah, this is fine. I think. Wow. A minus minus. Okay, again zero indexing. I expected them not to give. They sometime give or not. Not. I don't know, man. A dot B, A dot pushback B dot pushback A, then no parent or again first step should be that if the error is in DFS or is in input, it comes out to be the error is in DFS. Uh, 0 0 return me. Okay, fine, but why two times? Yeah, two times. I have two times. CNRG of SV 0. Okay, I C is equal to DFS. Why you do C equal to DFS, man? R plus equal to DFS of 5. Why not? Came out to be 5. Where is an issue, man? For this, these two lines. That should not be an issue. Graph is an issue, man. I think. How can the graph be an issue, man? The undirected graph. Acha, again, you're not removing the graph. That is the thing. Check that first. Then, yeah, this problem, like troubles sometimes a lot. This has one solution. Not clear, right? Why is not running, man? Let's go to Zoodle. Some error in running code. That's a different error. Internet error or what? Less battery. That also causes some error. Both are in action. Zoodle in action. Zoodle is faster, I feel. Again, what was the issue? I don't even see. Zoodle can give me issue, right? Okay, let me bring the charger first. Okay. It won't be a good thing अगर ये लैपटॉप बंद हो गया. अब नहीं होगा. जुड्डर अभी तक एक्शन कर रहा है. इसने कुछ आंसर दिया नहीं दिया. क्या दर्द है इसे. चल जा भाई. अच्छा अच्छा ओके. Is there any contest? NX was not declared. Very good. This is what I was expecting. So the solution for this clear thing is that you can declare a class. What happens in class? Every object get defined, but the answer is wrong. पांच एक्स्ट्रा क्यों आ रहे हैं भाई. यार पता है. हाँ, but now we can do something or the other for each node. Let's print r. Let's print the value also. 1 for 5 or what? It's not like that. 1 for 1, 1 for 4, 1 for 5. Then 2 for 5. Why 2 for 5? 5 1. Okay. 2 getting 5 is fine for me. 6 getting 1. 3 getting 5 is not fine. 3 should get 3. Yeah, again, why are you going on 6 2 times? 0 getting 15 was also not fine. He should get something like 13 plus 2. I think RS plus R should happen there. Should not take this extra spaces and all. Like ये 2 नहीं लेगा but ये -1 तो लेगा ना. और वो 2 क्यों नहीं लेगा. क्यों 2 नहीं लेगा ब्रो. RS लेगा 2 भी लेगा. देखो हमारे केस में क्या हो रहा है, 1 दिया ठीक है, फिर हमने ये दिया ठीक है। वो टू ले ही नहीं रहा, वो टू ले ही नहीं रहा। श्योर वो नहीं ले रहा, आई एम श्योर लाइक उसके लिए 13 ही आ रहा है। अच्छा, ये इशू है आई थिंक यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा। तो आर एक्स को प्लस यहाँ पे करूँ क्या? ठीक है ऐसे कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसेस हम नहीं देंगे उसे, सी एन प्लस टू और दे देंगे, नॉट प्लस टू, प्लस प्लस वन। ये कर सकते हैं, बट वो लॉजिक अलग है कि 6 दो बार क्यों आ रहा है, why is 6 coming 2 times now also? Yeah, now why is it coming 2 times, man? I don't understand your problem. अभी it should be fine because plus one हम, अरे like what is your problem, man? See this here now, he 1 gives 1, that is fine for me, 4 giving 1 fine for me, 5 giving 1 fine for me, 2 giving 5 fine for me, 6 giving 1 is fine for me, 6 again giving 1, this I'm not understanding. 3 giving 5 is not fine because of these two 6, and that's why 0 giving 15 is not a fine. Basically इसने मेरे को दिया था 5 दिया था, उसने 3 दिया था, उसने 1 दिया था, so they gave me 9 something, and then मैंने प्लस 4 क्यों करा, क्योंकि देखो ये 3 एलिमेंट्स थे ना, सी एन प्लस प्लस 3 बार हुआ था ना, तो प्लस मैंने करा सी एन माइनस वन विच इज 2, प्लस मैंने करा 2, तो ये मेरे को सी एन प्लस वन ही कर दो ना सीधा, सी एन कितना था 3 था, प्लस 4 कर दो, तो 13 इट शुड गिव, राइट? 13 इट शुड गिव अबव 0 पे। अच्छा, तो वो तुम ऐड कहाँ करोगे 0 का? आर एस प्लस इक्वल टू आर यहीं पे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इफ यू आर सेइंग इट गिव्स 13, उसने 13 दे दिया 0 का, और मैंने 0 के लिए ऐड करा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? तो फिर तुमने वो 2 5 और 9 कहाँ पे ऐड करा होगा? लुक, वो पहली बात 1 5 और 4 है। आर यू श्योर इट इज 1 5 और 3? इट्स 1 5 और 3। अच्छा, वो कैसे हुआ होगा? तो पहली बात आर एस हटा दो यहाँ से, आर प्लस इक्वल टू सी रहने दो वहां पे। नाउ आर पे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, शुड बी, और ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा, ये 30 आ रहा था 30 आएगा वापस से, सेम चीज पे आ गए हम। बट दैट इज करेक्ट, दैट इज करेक्ट, द ओनली इशू इज 3 गिविंग 5, और उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे कितना एक्स्ट्रा आया, 2 एक्स्ट्रा आया, और उसके बाद 2 एक्स्ट्रा और आया, और 6 गिविंग 1 एक एक्स्ट्रा वहां से, 3 गिविंग 5 2 एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ से, 0 गिविंग 15। सो सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी इफ यू कैन डू 6 को ठीक। आई थिंक 0 टू n हमें नहीं चलना था, पहली बात तो n-1 ही चलना था। दैट्स फाइन नाउ, और क्लियर लगा दिया है, तो अब वो लगा देते हैं 3, 1 गोज टू 2, 1 गोज टू 0। इसका आंसर कितना 9 आना चाहिए, आ जाएगा। लॉन्ग लॉन्ग लेना है, ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस शुड बी 2, remove the debugging, why not long long, why not, or why? देखो 10,000 nodes are there, I don't know, be on the safe side, man. It doesn't harm, but actually I think this should pass without long long। मॉड्यूलो तो ले ही नहीं रहे यहाँ पे, बिकॉज अगेन नंबर ऑफ नोड की टर्म्स में ही है सब कुछ राइट, 1 then getting number of nodes plus 2 plus something something something, and that is n square in terms of number of nodes, 10 is per 8 10 is per 9 max टच करेगा। अभी I'm not running it over there, so directly run it over here, it should be fine। How much time for this question? Again, if it's 30 minutes it's not good, minutes not good। 40 minutes for previous question, 40 minutes for this question, or still the answer is not correct. What is 34, man? What is 34? Like seriously, तुम 25 पे प्लस 9 क्यों कर रहे हो? R को जीरो कौन करेगा? R S को जीरो करा है, R की वैल्यू तो चलो फिर भी मैनेज हो जाएगी. बैक चलो पहले यहाँ से. दिस इज 25 एंड 9 आई फील. यस. हटाओ इसको, डालो सबमिट. चलो गाइस, ओके बाय. एक्सेप्टेड.